Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have owner rights and a plan, so begin by checking site permissions and the tenant's sharing policy. Go to the communication site settings and open site permissions. Once there, choose who will access the site. Make sure to isolate any sensitive lists or pages first, because changing visibility can expose them. If you need anonymous access, verify the tenant-level sharing settings allow external anonymous links. Start the change now so you can confirm access behavior in the next steps. Once done with the initial checks, open site permissions and select Change Site Permissions to set visibility to everyone except external users or everyone if allowed. If you need anonymous links, go to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center and enable external sharing for Sharepoint at the tenant level, then confirm site-level sharing is not restricted. Make sure to break inheritance only on pages or libraries that must stay private, because that prevents accidental public exposure, after changing settings, verify publicly accessible behavior by signing out and opening the site in a private browser or using a non-owner account. Check that pages intended to be public load correctly and private content remains hidden. Then review the site's sharing reports and audit log for recent link activity to detect accidental shares. If something goes wrong, immediately revoke anonymous links, reset site permissions, and adjust tenant sharing policies before reissuing access. One troubleshooting tip: always test from multiple environments and clear cached credentials to confirm results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.